Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. If you want to learn English, you are in the right place. I am here to help you with some useful English sentences. So let's start our today's lesson. हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है मैंने उससे कहा I said to him, I said to him. उसने मुझसे कहा He said to me, he said to me. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है आई नीड इट आई नीड इट मजाक कर रहे हो क्या आर यू किडिंग आर यू किडिंग क्या तुम दिन में सपने देख रहे हो आर यू डे ड्रीमिंग आर यू डे ड्रीमिंग हिम्मत मत हारो डोंट लूज होप डोंट लूज होप सब बेकार है everything is useless everything is useless बहाने मत बनाओ don't make excuses don't make excuses उससे नफरत मत करो don't hate him don't hate him उसका पीछा करो follow him follow him वो कहाँ जा रहा है Where is he going? Where is he going? परेशान मत हो Don't worry Don't worry वो जल्द वापस आ जाएगा He will be back soon He will be back soon भूलना मत Don't forget Don't forget मैं आपको याद दिलाऊंगी I will remind you I will remind you क्या वो कमरे में है Is he in the room? Is he in the room? दरवाज़ा खटखटाओ Knock the door Knock the door वो कर क्या रहा है What is he doing? What is he doing? क्या वो सो रहा है Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping? क्या वो नहा रहा है Is he taking shower? Is he taking shower? वो फ़ोन पर मसरूफ़ है He is busy on the phone. He is busy on the phone. मेरी भी अपने दोस्त से बात कराओ Let me talk to your friend. Let me talk to your friend. मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ I want to ask a question. I want to ask a question. और इसी बात को हम इस तरह से भी कह सकते हैं कि मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ I have a question. I have a question. क्या आप मुझे इस बारे में बता सकते हैं Can you tell me about this? Can you tell me about this? मुझसे पूछो Ask me. Ask me. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा I will try my best. I will try my best. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and found this video helpful, then click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.